Did you know that scary story videos are one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube and TikTok right now? These short, eerie clips based on true life conspiracy theories, mysterious figures, and unsettling historical events are racking up millions of views. And a page that started just a few months ago already has more than 100,000 subscribers and pulling in millions of views on each of their videos. The secret isn't just the stories themselves, but the way they're told, using dark, cinematic cartoon visuals, spine-chilling narration, and an atmosphere that hooks viewers instantly. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create these viral scary story videos step by step using completely free AI tools. So stick with me until the very end, because every step matters if you want to replicate the exact formula that's making these channels explode. Now let's get started. The first step is finding the right video idea. This is the most important part, because without a strong idea, your video won't go viral. Now, if you already have creepy stories or real-life conspiracy theories in mind, that's great. You can build from there. But if you don't have the time to brainstorm, or you'd rather let AI handle the heavy lifting, don't worry. I've put together a Google Doc with prompts that you can use to generate unique video ideas for this niche, including ready-to-use prompts for writing full scripts. You'll find the link to that Google Doc down in the description. Make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this tutorial out to more creators just like you. All right, let's jump back in. Open the Google Doc and copy the video idea prompt. Then head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat, but make one quick change. Input the number of video ideas you want it to generate. After that, hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of unique scary story video ideas designed for this niche. Take a moment to go through the list carefully and pick the one that immediately grabs your attention. Remember, choosing the right idea at this stage is what sets the foundation for a video that can go viral. Now that we have our video idea, the next step is to generate a powerful and engaging script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt I've provided. Then open ChatGPT again and paste the prompt into the chat. Just like before, make one simple adjustment. Input the number of the video idea you've chosen. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly create a fully written scary story script tailored to your idea. From there, you can decide whether to edit and refine it to match your style or use it exactly as it is. Either way, this step makes the process fast, simple, and perfect for creating viral scary story videos without hours of writing. The next step is creating a professional voiceover. And for this, we'll be using 11 Labs. Start by heading over to 11 Labs. Click on Sign Up and create an account. Once you're logged in, go to Instant Speech and you'll see the voiceover creation interface. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier, then return to 11 Labs and paste it into the text box. Before moving on, remove any parts you don't want included, like headings or extra notes, so the narration flows naturally. Next, click on Voices. Here you'll find a wide selection of realistic AI voices. Carefully preview a few different options and pick the one that best matches the tone of your scary story video. Once you've chosen the perfect voice, click Generate Speech, and 11 Labs will instantly start producing your narration. In minutes, your high-quality AI voiceover will be ready. Simply download it straight to your device. The next step is generating our visuals. But before we do that, we need the right image prompt. Head over to the Google Doc. First, save the image provided or simply take a screenshot of it. This image will act as our guide to recreate the exact dark cinematic cartoon style that popular scary story channels are using right now. Once you've saved the image, copy the image prompt below. Then head back to ChatGPT. First, upload the reference image you just saved, then paste the prompt and hit enter. In just seconds, ChatGPT will generate highly detailed image prompts based on the reference, which we will use to generate the exact kind of eerie, atmospheric visuals that make these videos so addictive. Now it's time to generate our images. You can use any AI text-to-image tool for this step, but in this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Start by copying the first image prompt we created earlier and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will begin generating your image. The process might take a little bit of time, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a high-quality, cinematic-style image that matches exactly what we need for our scary story video. Save the image straight to your device. Now repeat the same process for the rest of your prompts until you've got a complete set of visuals. By following this step, you'll have consistent, eerie, and eye-catching images that bring your scary story script to life, the same style used by viral channels dominating YouTube and TikTok right now. The next step is adding background music to our scary story video. And for this, we'll be using Suno. Head over to Suno and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation interface. Since we don't need lyrics, select instrumental so we only generate tunes. Now to get the perfect soundtrack, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music perfect for your script. Then hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest the ideal style of music to match your video's mood. Copy that music style, head back to Suno, paste it into the prompt box, and give your track a title. Then click Create, and Suno will instantly start generating your background music. In just a few moments, you'll be given 2 instrumental tracks based on your input. Preview both of them. Now select the one that gives your video the perfect eerie atmosphere and download it straight to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. And for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. Click on New Project and import all the images we generated earlier. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Short and TikTok videos. Then stretch out each clip to remove any black bars. Arrange the clips. Next, import the voiceover we created with 11 Labs. Listen carefully and cut out any long pauses or mistakes. Carefully do this so you don't make any mistake. Then start syncing your clips perfectly with the narration. Next, to make the video more engaging, we'll add movement. Click on your first clip, add a keyframe, then move to the end of the clip and zoom in or zoom out to add another keyframe. This will create subtle motion. Repeat this step across your other clips with different movements to keep the visuals dynamic. Now let's take it further with effects. Click on Effects, choose Video Effects, search for Shake, and apply it. Open the settings and adjust the intensity to 5 and the speed to 3. Then drag the effect across your entire timeline. This subtle shake adds the same kind of cinematic tension that viral scary story channels use. Next, let's add captions to our video. Click on Text. Then select Auto Captions, and you will be presented with lots of caption templates. Pick a style you like, and click Generate. Once the captions are created, resize and position them where you want it. This not only boosts engagement, but also keeps viewers watching longer. Finally, import the background music we made with Suno. Trim it so it fits the length of your video, then lower the volume so it supports the narration without overpowering it. Once you're happy with everything, play your video from start to finish. If you're satisfied, click Export. Set the resolution to 4K for maximum quality, and download the finished video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Did you know there's a ghost town in Italy where an entire village vanished almost overnight? High on a cliffside in southern Italy sits Krakow, a medieval town frozen in time. Once alive with farmers, priests, and children, its streets are now empty, its windows staring like hollow eyes. In the 1960s, strange things began to happen. The ground beneath Krakow started to crack. Landslides tore through the village, swallowing homes.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and drop any questions you have in the comment section.